So, you want to make decent fur texture for a model, but you don't want to mess with the hair particle system or to search for the alpha textures online that are not always free. No worries, I got you. Check this out. This is very simple. First, make sure that you have enough vertices to work with. Then, choose clay strips brush and make sure that it's not too strong. Once you are done with your setup, just follow along with me. As you can see, I'm just going up and down with my strokes diagonally. And in a matter of seconds, we get the first layer of fur texture defined. Then, you can just repeat the same step again and again until the area is fully covered. Yeah, and that's how easy it is. No special sculpting skills, just a single brush and the 1 minute of your time. Let me just throw in 2 more layers. So, you get the idea. Now, let's take a look what you can actually achieve with this. This is my capybara model that I have created recently using this technique. As you can see, fur looks just perfect with the toon shading, but it will also look as good with any other setup. By the way, you can watch full time-lapse video of me creating this capybara model from scratch on my YouTube channel. Please check it out. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, please like and subscribe for more Blender tutorials to come. See you next time.